Lesson 5A, Story Time. Lesson 5B, Values. Bull, bull. Solly, solly. Mike, Mike. Feelings, feelings. Sad, sad. Happy, happy. Who is happy? Who is happy? Who is sad? Who is sad? Solly is happy. Solly is happy. Solly is sad. Solly is sad. Mike is happy. Mike is happy. Mike is sad. Mike is sad. Play games. Play games. Sleep. Sleep. Watch TV. Watch TV. Boo is sad. Boo is sad. She wants to play games. She wants to play games. Boo is sad. Boo is sad. She wants to sleep. She wants to sleep. Boo is sad. Boo is sad. She wants to watch TV. She wants to watch TV. Solly is sad. Solly is sad. He wants to play games. He wants to play games. Solly is sad. Solly is sad. He wants to sleep. He wants to sleep. Solly is sad. Solly is sad. He wants to watch TV. He wants to watch TV.